So we're in the feeder bay now. This is where it all starts. So the growers will send the cotton in on trucks. They will attend our weigh bridge where they're ticketed, which then they're all allocated a module row out in the yard, and they're held there until a gin run is allocated. When the gin run is allocated, the buggy will bring in the modules. They will unwrap the modules. They'll lay the modules down for the module feeder to walk over and process the cotton and send it into the gin. So this is the control room. This is where our ginners and assistant ginners control the speed, the quality, the throughput that we do per day, per hour. They monitor every machine to make sure that it's running to peak performance. So it's important to monitor it so we don't have chokes, all the quality issues so they can be met at a moment's notice. Yeah, we have a really good name and a reputation for being able to get the cotton clean for the growers. If we start to get tails on the seed, the quality's dropping, we need to change them saws to put them back to the sharpness that they're supposed to be to get the lint off the seed. We've got to make sure that there's not a lot of cotton still coming out the machine. It's got to stay in so it gives him the turnout. These machines behind me are the gin stands. They primarily take the seed from the cotton, which then goes out the bottom of the machine and heads across to our seed shed where we hold it for the growers to come and pick it up. So we're in the bale room. This is where all the bales get pressed up and samples are taken. Tickets are allocated to bales, and this is a part of the traceability process from field to merchant. So traceability is where they put a ticket on a bale and it traces from field to bale, and the grower gets paid on that quality of that bale. So yeah, you've got to have a ticket on each bale to be able to, go back and check the quality on that bale and where it come from. So the cotton bales have just come from the press room. This is the finished product. From here, it gets loaded on a bale truck and off to a merchant in either Brisbane, Sydney or Melbourne. And then from there, they go overseas to the spinning mills. This is our newly built Entegra seed shed to hold all our seed that the growers want to hold here and play the seed game with. They're able to ride that market, so store low and sell high is the primary reason why we bought the shed. So a byproduct from cotton is cotton trash. We collect the cotton trash here from the gin and we place it in rows down the back where we have a contractor that mulches the cotton trash. It's then broken down to soil again, and we have growers that come and get it and they take it away and put it on their farms again. Before the seed shed got built, we had to shorten up the seed contracts to allow the seed to go quickly. We had no room to store. We did, however, store in bunkers at one stage, which takes a lot of manpower to do. Manpower, which everyone knows it's hard to find these days. So we'd rather not be labour intensive and have a shed where we can give us that option of being able to store and not worry about it.